everyone, Shaniacs. How are you doing this fine Friday? It is almost noon. I'm going into Maquoketa here to have lunch with my parents. I brought that sewing machine up so Mom can give it the old once over and let me know if it works good enough to resell it. I brought her up some quilting books, brought a few things up for my dad, and I'm going to see if he can help me repair this beer light so we can get that sold. So yeah, that's the plan. So let's go have some lunch with Mom and Dad. Some of you wanted to see the old style light when it was all put back together. Huh? So, making a video.
Oh.
So, Dan's just putting on the finishing touches here of the
wiping the dust
off of it, but the hot glue worked pretty good. All those look like they normally should, so my dad's neighbor gave him this speaker, which is all cast aluminum, and he took it apart, and this is the magnet in that thing. And unfortunately, we set it back down on there. I don't know how we're going to get it back off. Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah, you don't want your phone next to that, man. It'll kill that phone.
Hey, John.
How are you?
Yep.
The two rods are good.
Oh, okay.
Break down the awkwardness, put on my boots and a lily white dress. A million words, but how to express what I'm feeling when I see you. You flash a smile, I'm like, is this happening? I look your way and then of course drop everything. You walk over and ask if I'm alright. Hey, whatever it takes to break the ice. Something that better explains all my motivation. To meet you, know you, and be on your mind. I have to, but how do I put this right? Don't overcomplicate, just say hi or whatever it takes to break the ice. It's Do you have a roadmap that I can try? 'Cause I think I just got lost in your eyes. I have to tell you, I really want to. Whenever I look in your eyes, I won't make the same mistake twice. I'm ready to shake up and break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like
that's a lot of stuff. Back there in that back room, there's just so many tools piled up. It's just mind-boggling. So anyway, I wrote down some stuff that I'm aiming for. So what is going on, Shaniacs? How are you doing this morning? It is Saturday morning. It is dreary and ugly outside and wet and snowy and icy and just overall crappy. So what a better day to stay inside and go over some of the auction stuff I got last night. Now, what you see here is a Craftsman toolbox that is full of tools, and I paid $17.50 for this, and I am so stoked to get it open because I know it's full of tools, but what kind of tools, I have no idea. So first off, we're gonna weigh it because it is so heavy, and then we're gonna dive into what's inside of it. So I hope you can see that okay, but that is 65.5 pounds of tools in that toolbox. So let's get to it and see what's inside. Okay, let's do this here. Hope you can see that okay. Wow, the first thing I look down and see is a Craftsman wrench. Pretty cool. Let's see what's in these things here. Oh wow, the sockets. So do we have a brand? Look at that little guy. Can't make a brand on him. These are mechanics. That was a mechanics brand. Japan. So yeah, wow. All right, then we got a bunch more. Oh, look at that. There's a Craftsman wrench right there. Drop forward. There's another Craftsman. There's one called EASCO, E-A-S-C-O, made in America. Alright, so we got some extensions, more sockets, another solid hammer, there's another Craftsman, some needle nose pliers that will work as wire cutters. Nice. I always use those with scrapping. There's channel locks. Oh my goodness, there's a big boy. There's a big 1-inch Craftsman. Mechanics brand ratchet. There's a True Vice Grip brand. It's actually actual Vice Grip, which is the brand name. Another Craftsman. Another Craftsman. What is that? Well, that's like for, that's some type of a ratcheting handle. Is that what that is? Never seen anything like that before. Another Craftsman. Dang. Sweet. Pliers. Craftsman. Big screwdrivers. There's a pry bar. Some more side snips. You can never have enough of those, especially when you're scrapping. Another Craftsman. Another Craftsman. There's another Craftsman. Another Craftsman. So yeah, not bad. So on this side there's more extensions. 3 more extensions, 4 more extensions. JCPenney socket. So just more of a socket collection. So not bad at all for $17.50. Okay guys, here is all the sockets and a few other miscellaneous things I left in there, but then this is all the good stuff that came out of that toolbox. What you see here, between this screwdriver and this thing here, those are all Craftsman. This is a a magnetic pickup deal. All these wrenches are not Craftsman, but still good wrenches. The actual vice grips, channel locks, smaller wrenches, and all those pliers and side cutters. So really amazing haul for $17.50. I think I could probably get, if I clean up this toolbox, $15 for it, maybe 20. I'm going to put some socket sets together today and list those. So, and I'll probably list most of this. I'll be keeping the smaller wrenches and this smaller screwdriver for my e-waste scrapping. And I'm going to be keeping this and some sockets for my e-waste scrapping because that's just a great size to have. So that is the plan. So we have a bunch more stuff to go through. I will probably get to more of these type of videos coming up here in the next 2 or 3 days because we have a lot of stuff in my wife's car that we've got to get out and go through. So we really hit it big at the auction last night. I was very stoked. So anyway, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, guys, and we will definitely see you at the next unboxing. Take care, everybody.